Oven roast potatoes, I do 10 cuts per potato, and I use a medium-sized russet per person. So for every person you're feeding, so if you're feeding 2, do 2. If you're feeding 3, do 3. For every person you're feeding, cut them into 10 pieces and throw them into a bowl. Bring a tea kettle full of water to a boil. Cover the potatoes with boiling water for 10 minutes. This draws out some of the starch. It gets them super, super crisp when we douse them with olive oil on a baking sheet and roast them. You're then gonna cook them for 45 to 60 minutes. For me, it usually takes 60 because the pan's really full. But it could be as little as 45, so just keep an eye out, okay? Depends on how thick or thin you cut them, how big or small the potatoes are, obviously. Like shapes and sizes always. You just wanna make sure however many cuts you get from each potato, that's what you do for all the potatoes. And I covered them with the boiling water, and then look what I did. I took a clean kitchen towel, I drained them, and I put them on a towel to get every bit of moisture off. He's gonna go to the laundry room. His job is done. Once we get all of the moisture off the potatoes, so they're nice and dry, then they're ready for the oil. You can just put them in a big bowl and toss them with olive oil, or you can take non-aerosol EVOO and spray them pretty liberally though, like you wanna coat them with oil. You don't want a little teeny tiny dab of oil. You wanna coat them, okay? Then we're going to take, for one tray full, so you would have this, we've got 5 medium potatoes here. 4 or 5 would be about the same. You're gonna fill one tray, okay? So if you were gonna make half of this, use half of this. For one full tray, you're going to mix about a tablespoon each of onion, garlic, salt, pepper, okay? Mix it together, just with your fingertips. This is not rocket science, guys. And liberally dress your potatoes. Potatoes love salt. They love salt. Toss. And then try and get them back into just a single layer. So this is center rack, and we're gonna let them go half an hour. All right, so super quick. Out, up, close. So our potatoes are only half done. These guys, we place them in as close as we could get to a single layer, right? And now we're just gonna give them a little flip. Bottom rack. Close the door. Our giant pile of potatoes, super crispy. Our 2 sauces for anything, balsamic ketchup and the horseradish-Dijon.